Well, that last video, I don't know if y'all saw the last video. That was a church member. Right here, I thought it was a bus stop right here. You know? I was gonna wait for the bus right here, and I'm like, damn, ain't no bus coming way back here. Everybody know that, huh? But I ain't want, but I ain't want to put on my video though. You know, so I stopped the tape just in time. Saw a blind chick, you know, long blonde hair, nice shot. So what? Who cares, you know? 'Cause that don't make dominoes 7 with never mind, you know. That definitely don't make dominoes 7 in him never mind, you know. I like pretty girls, a lot of them, but guess what? I'm only attracted to one, you know. But I don't know if me and that girl are gonna be together. If it's possible, we will. If not, oh well, shoot. Trying to spend time with this girl like I spent Valentine's Day with her last year. You know, I ain't gonna mention her name right now. Not now. You know. Oh well. Back on Drew Carey Street with Drew. Not no Drew Carey. Drew Carey on the street.